With our governor, our meetings, the previous one and the one now, had always been very exciting. The governor is very down to earth, and he handles things, issues with disperse. And we're happy, and we want to say that the opportunities given to the Muslim Ummah is one of the... I've been a Muslim for 38 years. And in these 38 or 36 years, apart from the period of orderly, we've never seen this sort of relationship between the Muslim Ummah and the state government. Yes, the young people must know that we don't have any other state other than Rivers State. Like when we were growing up, there was this slogan on Rivers State, love Rivers State or leave her alone, don't run her down. So you love Rivers State. You should not run her down. Only one man can be governor of Rivers State at a time. We will not have two governors. And the people of Rivers State are bigger than Asari Dokubo. Rivers State is bigger than any individual. No individual can take Rivers State people for a ride and pocket us. It's not possible. Local government tenure has expired. Today, they should quietly go home. If they want to seek re-election in accordance with the Constitution, they should go and seek re-election. But there is no tenure elongation in the Constitution. Their position is tenure ban, and that tenure has expired. Let them not cause unnecessary problem for the people of the state. And I want to advise young people that, look, don't allow yourself to be used. Most of us, their children are not here. And their children have never come out to stand in front of any protest. They are not like Mandela and his children, or me and my children, or anybody. A lot of people, they've not done this. So nobody should be allowed. Most of them were with us. Today they are bigger than us. They have become very wealthy. They have become very powerful. But is that why you should submit yourself to be used by them? The people are showing people's power. The people have gone on their own to take over local government secretariat. Because it's the people. Nobody can say that we voted for 3 years tenure for a chairman, and a chairman should exceed 1 second of that tenure. So the people of Rivers State are exercising their people power, and they are ready to take over until the government is ready to conduct a new election.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.